Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the accessory adjustment feature on Dress to Impress. Now this only works for some items. It doesn't work for all of the items. It doesn't work for some hats. Like for instance, it works for all of these hats except for the fedora. I'm not sure why. I think it's because it's still in beta testing. I'm not sure. Anyways, so I'm just going to select this flower to show you guys how to use it. So select this icon, and I already have it because I've already played 30 rounds. Yes, I played 30 rounds of Dress to Impress. There's position, rotate, and scale. For the position, X is basically moving it left and right, as you can see. So if you move it to the right, it goes to the left, and vice versa. To reset it, just press the reset button. Y is moving it up and down, as you can see. Z is moving it forwards and backwards. For the rotation, X is moving it like this. Y is moving it like that, like forward and backward, so right and left, forward and backward. And Z is moving it up and down. And scale is just pretty much moving it bigger and smaller. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!